In this video, I'm going to show you what's happening in Frisco, Texas, and opposed to what some naysayers are saying on the internet and on the news, you may be surprised at what's truly happening in the market today. So stay through the entire video as I break down the different segments of the Frisco, Texas market. Hi, everyone. If we haven't met yet, I'm Troy Sage, your local realtor, real estate insider, and I am dedicated to doing real estate differently. All of the information is current and up to the minute, and I'm getting my information from the local multiple listing service, and I use Eltos Research to put beautiful graphs together, and they help me calculate the actual market action index. Currently, the median list price is $810,000, with the median price of new listings has increased to $820,000. Price per square foot is averaging $241 a square foot, with average days on market being 43, but median days on market being 21. If you've been following me, you know that these numbers are up from just last month. So values have increased and days on market have actually decreased. There's also a seasonality in our market. If you want to know more about our seasonality, click on this link here. Now let's get back to what's going on in our local market. Price decreases 38%, price increases 3%, and relisted is 7%. This next stat is huge, so check this out. Inventory is only 296 properties available. 296 available properties in a city of more than 220,000 people is not a lot of available homes. Now stay with me, I'm going to dig into this a little bit deeper in regards to inventory and what's happening with our prices. Median rent is $3,295 a month with a market action index of 64. With a market action index of 64, you can see that unless the index point is at 30, it is a strong seller's market. I can tell you from showing homes through the month of June and this first part of July that inventory is very low and it's slim picking for just about every price range of homes available in Frisco. If your budget is $500,000 or less, you have 21 homes to pick from in all of Frisco, Texas. The least expensive home for sale in Frisco right now is $400,000. So if you're looking for a property at $500,000 or less, you have 21 to pick from, and you're going to be looking at roughly a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with an exception of a couple of 4-bedroom homes. Again, for any of the naysayers out there, check this out. I want to show you what's going on in just the past couple of months with pricing and availability. In July of 2022, interest rates were on the rise, and the upper priced homes, or the top 90, actually came down in price. But look at everything else. For the most part, it stayed very consistent and never really dropped. It stayed consistent, and now today, all prices are higher. Which means if you waited from last year to this year to actually purchase, not only are interest rates higher, you're spending more money for the same property. And with inventory being so low, it's very difficult to get a home. Right now, what we're seeing is we're seeing multiple offers on just about every property on the market, and people are outbidding each other. If you'd like to know more about what's going on in the market, leave a comment below or reach out to me direct, and I can break down exactly what's going on for the homes in which you own or the homes in which you're looking for. So to the naysayers out there and the national news and the YouTube influencers that keep saying the sky is falling, is it really falling here in Frisco, Texas? Let me know. Leave a comment below. I'd like to know what you think about the real estate market and how you see the market today. If you found this information valuable and you'd like to stay current on what's happening in real estate in the Frisco, Texas area, click subscribe so you're alerted every time I upload another video. Until next time, my friends, make it a great day.